I'm sure you all have heard of the movie Top Gun, right? But did you know there's a Top Gun among law students too? It's an award given to the winner of an exciting competition where law students test their skills as trial attorneys. Illinois Tech is home to Chicago-Kent College of Law, one of the best law schools in the country. And law student Zoe is a recent Top Gun. She says Chicago-Kent's combination of exceptional professors, foundational education, and real-world experiences have helped her land her dream job.
Thanks, Alex. Hi, everyone. When I was looking for a law school, I had three priorities: cost, practical trial skills, and location. It was hard for me to find a law school that prioritized all three, but when I found Chicago-Kent, I knew I hit the jackpot. Chicago-Kent is in the heart of downtown Chicago, and it's surrounded by top law firms from around the globe. From day one, I was told that I would learn practical legal skills that I could use as soon as I started working in the legal field. And my professors were right. I immediately learned skills like legal research and trial advocacy skills that I now use every day as a law clerk and as a summer associate. After my first year at Chicago-Kent, I joined the trial advocacy team, and I learned how far those skills could take me. Chicago-Kent's team is ranked third in the country by US News, and with good reason. Our 8 teams are coached by practicing attorneys and sitting judges from around the country, many of whom are Chicago-Kent alums. Everything I've learned about litigation, I've learned from my amazing coaches and advocacy professors. I was chosen to compete in the hardest mock trial competition in the country, Baylor School of Law's Top Gun 2021. After only having 24 hours to prepare both sides of a case by myself, I managed to beat all 15 of the top advocates in the country and took home the title of Top Gun for Chicago-Kent. Since my first year at Chicago-Kent, I've grown into a polished and passionate trial advocate. Luckily, I'll be starting as a trial attorney at a large civil defense firm here in downtown Chicago after graduation. The practical skills that I learned at Chicago-Kent made all the difference, and I'm so proud to be a CK student. That's my story. Back to you, Alex.
If I need an attorney, I am calling you, Zoe. Chicago-Kent College of Law is a future-focused law school that prepares its students to be ready to practice on day one. With a combination of foundational skills and practical experiences, you'll graduate ready to hit the ground running. Thanks again, Zoe.